Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed in exercise 6.5 second week up to second we have done. Now second week third question. Find the maximum and minimum values of h of x equal to sin 2x plus 5. Sin 2x plus 5. See, this is by using differentiation, means by first derivative, second derivative we can find. Why? Because derivative exists, sin n plus 5 differentiation exists. Previous class we have discussed mod of x plus 1. That is not differentiable at x equal to minus 1. If it is not differentiable, first derivative and second derivative not applicable. So this we can find by using first derivative, second derivative, or without those tests also we can find. Why? Because we know the sin 2x range. What is the sin 2x range? Minus 1 to plus 1. The sin minimum value minus 1, maximum value is plus 1. From that base, on base of that, we know sin 2x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1. Right? Add 5 on both sides. Add 5 on both sides. Minus 1 plus 5 less than or equal to sin 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5, 4 less than or equal to sin 2x plus 5 equal to h of x less than or equal to 6. So h of x lies between 4 and 6. So minimum value of h of x is 4, maximum is 6. So minimum value of h of x equal to 4. Maximum value of h of x equal to 6. This is okay. Next, fourth question. F of x equal to mod of sin 4x plus 3. Sin 4x plus 3. See, a mod is there. Mod means it is not differentiable at this point. When this becomes a 0, at that point it is not differentiable. So first, we know the sin 4x range. So sin 4x range, we know sin 4x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. To get this form, add 3 on both sides. Minus 1 plus 3 sin of 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3, 2 less than or equal to sin 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 4. Now apply mod on both sides. Apply modulus. When you apply modulus, the minus part becoming positive. But left and right both are positive. It won't change. So mod 2 less than or equal to mod of sin 4x plus 3 less than or equal to mod 4. Mod 2 equal to 2, mod 4 equal to 4. Therefore, this is mod 2 equal to 2 less than or equal, which is equal to f of x less than or equal to 4. Then maximum value of f of x is 4. Minimum value of f of x is 2. Next. Fifth question. H of x equal to x plus 1, comma, x belongs to minus 1, comma 1. X belongs to minus 1, comma 1. So x is lies between open dual minus 1, comma 1. Okay? Minus 1 less than x less than 1. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. Not or equal, open it is. To get this form, add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. Minus 1 plus 1 less than x plus 1 less than 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. X plus 1 is h of x less than 2. So h of x is lies between 0 to 2. What is the minimum value? 0. does not exist. Minimum value is that value should be there in the domain, but not included. If it is r equal, then minimum is 0, maximum is. So there is no r. The minimum is 0.000001. Can you tell exact value? No. So minimum does not exist. Maximum less than 2 means 1.9999. But you can't tell exact value. So maximum does not exist. So neither maximum nor minimum of this function. Are you following? Understood? Here the difference you see. Here closed interval is there. Here open interval is there. And here h of x. If you find differentiation, what is the h dash x is? 1. Means when h dash x is 0, critical point will be reached. So h dash x equal to 1 means there is no critical point. If there is no critical point means the function having neither maximum nor minimum. No maximum and no minimum if there is no critical point. By that way also we can express. This is one of the method R. Here h of x has no maximum, no minimum. No maximum, no minimum. Neither minimum nor maximum. Or another is h dash x. H dash x equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, there is no critical point. There is no critical point. If there is no critical point, then the function has neither maximum nor minimum. That is understood. Find the local maxima and local minima. If any of the following functions, find also local maximum and local minimum values. As the case may be. First question: f of x equal x squared. Local, to find local maximum and local minimum, there are two methods. First, three methods: definition method, and four method: graph method. Next, first derivation, second derivation. In that, second derivation is very easy, and sometimes graph method also very easy. Okay, this graph easily we can draw it. F of x equal x squared. Okay, the f of x equal x squared graph how is it? 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. F of 0, 0. F of 1, 1. F of 2, 4. What is minimum value? 0. At what point? 0. The function has minimum at 0. The minimum value also 0. Maximum does not exist. So what is the critical point here? 0. Only one critical point. Are you following? One critical point, there either maximum or minimum exists. If there is no critical point, neither maximum nor minimum. For example, the curve like this, no critical point. So neither maximum nor minimum. It goes to up to infinite, goes to up to minus infinite. So neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, to exist maximum and minimum, local critical points very important. If there is no critical point, the function has no maximum, no minimum. This is by graph method. We easily have done this. Okay, by second derivative, find f dash x. F dash x equal to 2x. Now let's find critical point. F dash x equal to 0, 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0, which is critical point. Which is critical point. Right? At this point, we should verify the function as whether it is maximum or minimum. How we can find? Depend on second derivative. F double dash x. F double dash x equal to 2. At x equal to 0. F double dash of 0. 2. Which is greater than 0. F double dash 0 greater than 0 means f of x has minimum. At what point? X equal to 0. In question they ask minimum at what point and ask also minimum value. So minimum value, how we can get this point substitute in the function. This 0 substitute in the function. f of 0. So equal to 0 square, so is equal to 0. That is minimum value. Okay. Next, by graph method also, we should draw graph. By seeing the graph, we come to know that it is minimum at what point? 0. So minimum value also 0. Next, the second question. Second one is h of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x, 0 less than x less than pi by 2. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Right? Now, in between, only we should verify. In between, there is a critical point or not. We should verify. Okay? Sin x, h dash x. This is, we can draw graph also. We can draw graph. But compared to graph, by second derivative is very easy. H dash x. That's why I'm telling. Sometimes graph method is easy. But when you know the graph easily, when you draw the graph easily, you can identify. If it is difficult, then go for second derivative. Okay, h dash x. H dash x equal to sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Now h dash x equal to 0. Cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Cos x equal to sin x. Sin by cos x tan x equal to 1. Correct? In this interval only 0 to pi by 2, tan x equal to 1, then x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. This should be in this interval. More than one more also there. 3 pi by 5 pi by 4. 225 degrees. Tan 225 degrees also 1, but 225 degrees does not lie between 0 to pi by 4. Okay? So in this, so which is belongs to the open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, only one critical point exists. X equal to pi by 4, which is called critical point. At this point, we should verify whether it is maximum, minimum. To verify, let's find second derivative. H double dash x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Minus sin x differentiation cos x. H double dash of pi by 4. Minus sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, minus cos pi by 4, minus 1 by root 2. Here, value is not important. By seeing only, we come to know that this is negative. This is negative, this is negative, negative only. So, value is not important here. So, just you write enough less than 0. Just check it whether it is positive or negative. So, if it is less than 0, then h of x has maximum at x is equal to pi by 4. Maximum at x equal to pi by 4. Are you following? Then maximum value h of pi by 4 equal to here sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 equal to root 2. 2 by root 2 equal to root 2. That is the maximum. Next, the question number 4. F of x equal sin x minus cos x. 0 less than x less than 2 pi. 0 less than x less than 2 pi. F dash x cos x minus cos x differentiation is sin x. Now to get little point, f dash x equal to 0. Cos x plus sin x equal to 0. Understood? Sin x equal to minus cos x. Sin x by cos x equal to minus 1. Tan x equal to minus 1. Let us find this interval 0 to 2 pi. This is 0. It is a pi by 2. Pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. In one revelation we should find. In that tan x is negative. In which quadrant tan x is negative? Second and third. So there are two angles exist, which are lies in second and fourth. Second and fourth. Okay. Second quadrant. This is pi minus 1. Tan x equal 1. When we get tan x equal 1, 45 degrees. So that you subtract pi minus pi by 4, which is equal to 3 pi by 4. One of the angle. Tan 3 pi by 4 equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 3 pi by 4. Like this easily we can identify. Understood? Next, one more is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant 2 pi minus 3 pi by 2 plus. The better is 2 pi. Even rectangle we should consider always. Odd rectangle also will get, but it take time. 3 pi by 2 plus we should add. Instead of that, this is better. 2 pi minus. How much angle we have subtract? Pi by 4. Positive angle. Tan x equal to 1. When x is equal to pi by 4. That you subtract. 2 pi minus pi by 4 is 8 minus 7 pi by 4. This is another answer. So this is a way to find the trigonometric values. X is equal to 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. These both are lies between 0 to 2 pi. For example, if they ask 0 to 4 pi, 0 less than x less than 4 pi, means second round. Second round means one more will get here. This is 2 pi, this is 3 pi. 3 pi minus pi by 4. Next here 4 pi minus pi by 4. Like that. Depend on the interval. We should write. Now we got two critical points, which are critical points here. At these points, at what point, which is the function as maximum or minimum, we should verify it. H double dash x, f double dash x, cos x differentiation minus sin x differentiation is cos x. This point substitute here, f double dash of 3 pi by 4 minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. Sin 135 degrees 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2 because second quadrant minus 1 by root 2. So which is negative. If it is negative means f of x has maximum at x equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay, they ask maximum value also. So maximum value equal to f of 3 pi by 4 sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. So sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So the value is 0. The maximum value is 0. Next, one more point. F double dash of 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. Substituting f double dash where is it? Minus sin 7 pi by 4 plus cos 7 pi by 4. Sin is 7 pi by 4 is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin is negative, so minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 minus plus 1 by root 2. Cos 7 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Yes, cos is positive plus 1 by root 2. Cos is positive plus 1 by root 2. Understood? So total is positive greater than 0. Greater than 0 means f of x has minimum at x is equal to 7 pi by 4. So f of minimum value f of 7 pi by 4 equal to first sin 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4. Sin 7 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Cos 7 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is minus 2 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 equal to minus root 2. This is the minimum value. The maximal is 0. Fifth question. Question number 5. F of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 50. F dash x 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Okay. Now f dash x here. F dash x 3 take common. X square minus 4x plus 3. Okay. Now f dash x equal to 0. 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. What are the factors? X minus 1 to x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 1, x equal to 3. There are two critical points. Now let's find f double dash x. F double dash x 3 into x square differentiation 2x minus 4x differentiation is 4. Now at this point f at x equal to 1, f double dash of 1 equal to 3 into 2 minus 4 minus 2, which is less than 0. Which is less than 0. Therefore f of x has maximum at x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Now let's find maximum value. Maximum value f of 1 equal to 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 50. 15 plus 1 60. 16 minus 6 10. 10 plus 9 19. So that is maximum value. Next, one more point, critical point, x equal to 3. F double dash of 3. 3 into 2 into 3 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 2. 3 into 2 6, which is greater than 0. So f of x has minimum at x equal to 3. So minimum value equal to f of 3. The value, the points are showing this 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 50. 3 cube 27, 9 into 6 54 plus 27 plus 50. Get cancelled 50. Okay, the function has minimum value 50 at what point? 3. The function has maximum value 90 at 1. So 1 and 3 are critical points. Sixth question. G of x equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x when x is greater than 0. Okay, 7th and 8th homework. 7th one and 8th one. These two are homework. Try yourself. Now g dash x equal to x by differentiation 1 by 2 plus 2 by x differentiation is minus 2 by x square. Understood? Now g dash x equal to 0. 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square equal to 0. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. But in that, we should consider 2 only, not minus 2. Why? Because the domain x greater than 0. Only one critical point we should verify, not minus 2. So x equal to 2. Okay, neglect x equal to minus 2. Why? Because the given that x is greater than 0. Okay, minus 2 neglect. Okay, this point only we should verify. At this point, the function has maximum or minimum. Means we need second derivative test to find that. Second derivative test g double dash x. 1 by differentiation is 0. minus 2, 1 by x square differentiation, x raised to minus 2, minus 2 x power minus 3, means minus 2 by x cube. Correct? See, d by dx of 1 by x square, that we can write d by dx of x power minus 2. X power minus 2 differentiation is minus 2 into x power minus 3. So minus 2 by x. So which is equal to 4 by x cube. G double dash x. Now g double dash of 2 equal to 4 by a, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is greater than g. Therefore g of x has minimum at what point x is equal to 2. Okay, the minimum value g of 2 equal to 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is minimum value. So what about maximum value? Does not exist. No maximum value, only minimum value exists. Okay, and try this is 7 and 8. Try yourself. Okay, if not get, you can ask your WhatsApp. These two are homework.